Assalamu Alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Welcome to EduIslamic Tech Hub. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download your Chrome browser. How to download your Chrome browser. If you are coming across us for the first time, this is our channel, a place where we blend in learning and digital skills. If you are coming across us for the first time, like I said earlier, subscribe, click on subscribe and click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified anytime we post videos here. Okay, my tab down here, you see there is no Chrome browser. Chrome browser. So if you want to download, come to Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's just search it here. If your one is not pinned to your tags bar, let's just search it here. You search Microsoft Edge. Here it is. Click on it and open. Let's maximize it. Then you search for your Chrome, Google Chrome. You search for Google Chrome. There it is. Search for Google Chrome. Click on it. There it is. This is our Google Chrome. So this link down here, you see www.googlechrome.com. You click on it. Then you see download Chrome. Click on download Chrome. Just a few steps left. See, it's downloading. It's complete. Now let's click on it. Showing folder. There is it. So let's click on it. Let's pin to taskbar. Or before that, let's open. See, I got a message from my system whether do I want to allow this app make changes on your device. Click on yes. Initializing. It might take a little while, but you just have to be patient. Installing. That's it. If you come here now, let's close this tab. If you look at this, our tab here, there's our Chrome. So when I open like this was because I have already installed Chrome already. I just showed you the step on how to download it from your Microsoft Edge. That's it. You see it. I've already created it already. That's why I have it here. So it's as simple as that. You come to your Microsoft Edge, you search for it. That's how to download your Chrome on your laptop, on your PC, on your desktop. So if you find this video helpful, click on the like button and share a comment. Thank you very much.